Hey friends, I am Gunapriya. Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel GpnArts. Today I made this beautiful and simple paper card. You can also learn this card step by step on our website GpnArts.com. Now without getting waste our time, let's move to our video. Take one rectangle paper. Now here I am taking one blue paper and with the help of bangle draw one circle and going to cut it. And here I have one circle paper. Now use same bangle and draw one circle on this rectangle paper. Here I have two shades of pink paper. Take one paper and fold this paper as I show you. Now draw one petal shape. Here I draw one petal shape and now cut it. Here I have lots of petals. Now take a pencil and make a curve to the petal. Now take a glue and paste all these petals on the circle which we draw. Now put this blue circle in middle. Press it. Now here I have one green paper. Draw stem shape like this. Cut it and paste it. Also draw one leaf shape. Cut this shape and paste it. Now write your message here and decorate this empty area. Here I draw little hearts. And here our birthday card is ready. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, then do not forget to share it with your family and friends. For upcoming more videos, please subscribe GpnArts. Till then, bye.